Hello friends, welcome to BioHub once again. Today we will be learning about seed and germination. In the last video we learned about fertilization and I am going step by step so that you can understand more easily. So let us see that after fertilization as the seed is formed. So what is there in the seed? A seed contains the seed coat and the embryo. So as you can see I have drawn the diagram of the seed and these are, you can see I have, if you divide the seed into two parts, you can see this is one part and this is another part. Now see, you can see this part of the seed is called the plumule and this part is called the radicle. So this part is the plumule and this part is the radicle. And these two, these white, this space, these two spaces are known as cotyledons, where the food is stored for the baby plant. Now let us see for the parts of seed. As I told you that parts of seed are these three: plumule, radicle, and cotyledons. Now see, seed are of two types, monocot and dicot. Monocot seeds are those seeds in which there is only one cotyledon. But dicot seeds are those seeds in which there are two cotyledons. So monocots are also known as monocotyledonous seeds and dicotyledonous seeds. Now let us straight away come to germination. Now germination is the process by which the seed which is there, it grows into a bigger plant. That how it is growing into a bigger plant. In your syllabus, you have two types of germination, apigeal and hypogeal. For apigeal, you have the bean seed and for hypogeal, you have the maize seed. The germination in which the cotyledons come out and form the first new leaves is called the apigeal germination. And this type of germination is mainly seen in the dicot plants, for example, bean seed. Now, on the other hand, the germination in which not the cotyledons but the plumule comes out to form the new leaves, the first new leaves is called the hypogeal germination. There the cotyledons remain inside the soil or below the soil. It is mostly seen in the monocot plants, for example say maize seed, but it is also seen in some dicot plants, for example mango. Now let's see for the diagram which I have drawn in my board. If you very minutely see this diagram, you can see this for your apigeal germination and this is for your hypogeal germination. This one is for the bean seed which is there in a syllabus. For apigeal germination you have bean seed. So you can see, first of all, you see this part is the cotyledon. This part, this one, the seed absorbs water, and as it absorbs water, it swells up and therefore it ruptures and the radicle comes out to form the root system. Then the hypocotyle elongates and it enforces the cotyledon to come out. It pushes out the cotyledon. See, this part is the cotyledon which has come out of the soil, and then this cotyledon will form the first new leaves, and after that it will provide food to the next leaves, and as the next leaves are formed, the cotyledon will wither away, it will fall off. This type of germination is called apigeal germination. This is for the bean seed. Now let's come to the hypogeal germination. You can see the diagram, I have drawn it here. Here you see, this is the cotyledon. The first part is very similar in the hypogeal germination also. Here again the seed, will absorb water, rupture out, the radical comes out to form the root. But here the cotyledons will not form the first leaves, rather the plumule will form the first leaves, and the cotyledons will remain inside the soil or below the soil. This is an example of maize seed which you have in your syllabus. So this is for hypogeal germination. I think you have understood what is the difference between hypogeal and epigeal. Now let's do a quick recap of doing the differences between epigeal and hypogeal germination. See, I have written 3 points for the epigeal and the hypogeal germination. The first point is that the cotyledons are pushed up through the soil. They become photosynthetic and form the first leaves. This is in the epigeal germination. Next is the cotyledons remain inside the soil and provide food for the growing seeds. This is in case of the hypogeal germination. The second point in case of the epigeal germination is that the plumule forms the second leaves, whereas in case of hypogeal the plumule forms the first true leaves. In case of epigeal germination, the third point is they are seen in dicot plants, for example say beans, and in case of hypogeal germination, the third point is they mostly occur in monocot plants, that is wheat, and in some dicot plants such as gram. So this is what we learned today. So I think you have understood what is a seed, the parts of a seed, what is germination, 2 types of germination, and what are the differences between the hypogeal and the epigeal germination. So now with this we complete the flower chapter. If you have any doubt regarding this whole flower chapter starting from the beginning, you can write in the comment section and I will be trying my best to answer your questions. Please do not watch till the middle of the video. Please watch the full video to understand whatever I have taught you. So I would like to end the video. Please do like, subscribe and my channel, and thank you for watching the video. Hope it helps you. So thank you. Goodbye.